To turn on the mamaroo, you press the on button, and there are 5 different types of motion that you can have. So to change the different type of movement, you would press this button, and you can see as you move it along, you know which setting it's on because there's a box around it. To get it started, you press the plus, and you'll see that it starts moving. And if you want a bit more motion, you just keep pressing it. It goes all the way up to 5, and then obviously the minus key will take it down all the way to 0 and stop. If you want music to play, there is a music button here, and just press it, and it goes from rainfall, waves, heartbeat, and you can also put your own music through your phone to the mamaroo, but you will have to download the 4Mums app. The good thing about that app is that you can also turn the mamaroo on and off from a distance. You don't have to be sitting next to it. What I actually find quite handy with this chair is that if I'm standing up, so if I pick the baby up and it's still swinging, I can easily put my foot on that button and it will just stop it. But likewise, you can do it from the phone as well if you're not near it. You can change the positioning of the chair by flicking this button here up. You pull that out, and then you can just push the chair like that, and it's now almost flat. And then you just push it back again. So when I first got this chair, I used the newborn insert, which is in this packet, just to make it a bit more snug for my baby. And then when he got a little bit older, I took it off so that he had more space and he could just sit in there freely. You can see that there's a zip around the unit, which means that you can wash it. So you can take it off and put it in the washing machine, and it washes quite well. Finally, these balls here are absolutely brilliant. So he didn't really think too much of them when he was first born, but actually when he got to about 4 months on, he started noticing them. And what you might already know is that babies can't see colour when they're first born. So black and white is brilliant for them. And then when they get a little bit older, you can just take the balls off and switch them over so that they can see the colour side. It just gives them something else to look at. So that's it really, other than for me to say that I highly recommend this chair. It was the only chair that my baby would go into to settle him when he was first born.